Before installation, make sure you have enough space for the product, confirm that the installation environment meets all necessary standards, and gather the required tools. Due to the product's weight, we recommend having 2 people handle it for safe and easy setup. After confirming the outer packaging is intact, open the box and check that all products and accessories are included. Following the instructions on the base label, position the base against the wall, level it, and ensure the ALOE MB5 power switch is set to off before removing the connector protective cover. Remove the connector protective cover. Align it with the right side connector holes, then lower it into place. The system can support up to 4 ALOE MB5 units. Finally, stack the ALOE Pro MC5 on top of the ALOE MB5 to complete the assembly of the DC side structure. Next, unpack the accessory pack and further secure the unit to the base. Use a level to adjust the PCS wall mount bracket, mark the hole positions, and ensure it's perfectly aligned. Drill 3 holes at the marked spots, insert expansion bolts, and tighten the screws. Once you've confirmed the bracket is stable and secure, carefully remove each component. Before installing the wiring harness, double-check all electrical safety measures. Secure the grounding wire to the chassis with screws to ensure a solid ground connection. Remove the waterproof cover and loosen the rubber grommet. Retrieve the pre-assembled wiring harness from the accessory pack. Following the pin diagram, thread the BMS cable through the components in the correct sequence. Connect the 4-pin communication terminal and the RJ45 connector, ensuring secure connections. Fasten the components one by one. Next, connect the CT with the arrow pointing towards the device, attaching it to the live wire to complete the installation. Connect the positive and negative wires. Following the diagram to connect the load for ALOE MB5's primary power mode. Then, proceed with the load connection for the single-line power mode. Insert the AC connector and listen for a click to confirm the connection is secure. Before powering on, perform a thorough safety check. Turn on the battery protection switch by moving it from bottom to top. Press the on/OFF button, and set the inverter's PV switch to the on position. The PV indicator light on the inverter should illuminate. We provide 3 methods to download the Pody's Edge app. After downloading, grant all necessary pop-up permissions for proper functionality. Choose to log in or register depending on your situation. When registering a new account, follow the steps provided to complete the 7-step registration process. Once back on the login screen, enter your account details to log in. In the Add Device section, select the device you want to connect. After confirming the device is powered on, click Next. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. In the list of nearby devices, tap Refresh at the top, then select the device you want to connect. Connect to Wi-Fi. Once the connection is successful, you will be able to view the device. Before use, familiarize yourself with the interface and review the safety precautions. Tap the icon to view the current device information. In the Settings menu, you can configure charging and discharging time slots based on your needs. From the main page, you can access the Pricing Settings menu. Once the settings are complete,